Hi everyone, and welcome to our weekly English vocabulary words. Every week, we are going to learn 5 new English words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1, zoo, zoo, Z-O-O, zoo. Number 2, school, school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Number 3, hospital, hospital, H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Number 4, playground, playground, P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D, playground. And number 5, sea, sea, S-E-A, sea. Great job! See you next time!